Online class for kids. Hello there! Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. Water is essential to life on Earth. In its three phases, solid, liquid, and gas, water ties together the major parts of the Earth's climate system. Air, clouds, the ocean, lakes, vegetation, snowpack, and glaciers. Precipitation is a vital component of how water moves through Earth's water cycle, connecting the ocean, land, and atmosphere. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different states. It shows the continuous movement of water within the Earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form clouds, and precipitates back to Earth in the form of rain and snow. The basic form of the water cycle follows this sequence: evaporation to condensation to precipitation to runoff and back to evaporation. When liquid water on Earth's surface evaporates, it condenses into water vapor in our atmosphere. Water from plants and trees enters the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. Warm water vapor ascends through the atmosphere of Earth. Clouds are created as water vapor rises to ever higher altitudes and condenses back into liquid water due to the chilly atmosphere. We refer to this process as condensation. When water falls on land, it forms precipitation. The water then runs down, runoff into rivers, lakes, soil, and porous rock strata. A large portion of the precipitation then returns to the oceans to evaporate again. Let's review. What is the process that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different states? Water cycle. Good job. What is the most basic sequence of the water cycle? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, or runoff. Very good. When water is in gaseous form, what stage of the water cycle does it go through? The answer is condensation. Very good. What kind of evaporation happens through trees and plants? The right answer is transpiration. Very good. I hope you had a wonderful time learning about the water cycle. See you next time for another fun-filled learning only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.